Hello, are you worrying about Google Cloud Developer Certification exam? This course is your one-stop shop to transform from a Google Cloud novice to a certified professional developer.
Hi, welcome to this course. My name is Priya. I'm solopreneur and instructor for this course.
This course equips you with the skills and knowledge to dominate the Google Cloud Professional Developer Certification exam. By the end, you'll be a Google Cloud Pro, able to confidently design and deploy highly scalable applications on Google Cloud Platform, GCP, using best practices. Master key GCP services like Cloud Run, Kubernetes Engine, GKE, and Cloud SQL for efficient development and management. Ace multiple choice and scenario-based exam questions with our comprehensive practice tests, mimicking the real exam format. Troubleshoot common development challenges on GCP, ensuring your applications run smoothly and efficiently. Major learning objectives. Dive deep into essential Google Cloud skills. Practice tests are meticulously designed to fast-track your Google Cloud Developer Certification, which is per Google Cloud Professional Developer Certification latest exam pattern. Here's what you'll conquer. GCP fundamentals, understand core concepts, deployment options, and security practices. Building for scale, master services like Cloud Run and GKE for building highly scalable applications. Data management, explore Cloud SQL and other solutions to effectively store and manage your data. Development and testing, learn best practices for development workflows, carbon monoxide, CD pipelines, and testing strategies. Practice makes perfect. Sharpen your skills with multiple practice exams that mirror the real certification format. Are you this ideal student? This course is designed for aspiring and junior cloud developers looking to validate their skills and launch a successful career on Google Cloud Platform, GCP. You are eager to confidently develop and deploy cloud-based applications, gain industry recognition with the coveted certification. But you might be worried about the complexity of GCP, feeling unprepared for the certification exam. This course will help you overcome those hurdles and become a Google Cloud professional in demand.
Thank you for watching it today. Ready to become a Google Cloud professional developer? Enroll now and dominate the Google Cloud Professional Developer exam. Don't miss out on this opportunity to validate your skills and skyrocket your cloud career.